A Beginner's Guide, How to Use a Multimeter. Introduction. If you are looking for useful information about the multimeter, you clicked on the right video. In this video, we will provide a step-by-step guide to help you navigate through the functions and features of a multimeter, enabling you to make accurate measurements with confidence. 1. Understanding the multimeter. A multimeter is a versatile device that combines several measurement functions into one handheld unit. The three main functions of a multimeter are voltage measurement, current measurement, and resistance measurement. Some advanced multimeters may also offer additional features such as capacitance, frequency, and temperature measurements. 2. Safety precautions. Before using a multimeter, it is crucial to ensure your safety. Always disconnect the power source or turn off the circuit you are working on. Wear appropriate safety gear, such as insulated gloves and goggles, when dealing with high voltages or potentially hazardous circuits. 3. Choosing the measurement mode. Most multimeters have various measurement modes. The two primary modes are DC, direct current, and AC, alternating current. Select the appropriate mode based on the type of circuit or component you intend to measure. For example, if you're measuring the voltage across a battery, choose the DC voltage mode. 4. Measuring voltage. To measure voltage, connect the multimeter's probes across the component or circuit you want to measure. The red probe is for the positive terminal, while the black probe is for the negative terminal. Set the multimeter to the voltage mode and ensure the range is suitable for your measurement. The reading will appear on the multimeter's display. 5. Measuring current. Measuring current requires the multimeter to be connected in series with the circuit. For this purpose, insert the red probe into the current measurement port and the black probe into the common port. Remember to break the circuit and connect the probes accordingly. Adjust the multimeter to the appropriate current range and observe the reading on the display. 6. Measuring resistance. Resistance measurements help determine the resistance of a component or check for continuity in a circuit. Set the multimeter to the resistance mode, Omega. If you are unsure about the approximate resistance value, choose the highest range initially. Connect the probes across the component or circuit and observe the reading. If the resistance is too high for the chosen range, decrease it until you get an accurate measurement. 7. Additional features. Many multimeters come with additional features that extend their capabilities. These features may include measuring capacitance, frequency, diode testing, or temperature. Consult your multimeter's user manual to learn more about these functions and how to use them effectively. 8. Tips and best practices. Always start with the highest range when making measurements and gradually decrease it until you obtain an accurate reading. Take note of the unit of measurement displayed on the multimeter. It is important to keep track of whether you are measuring volts, millivolts, amps, milliamps, ohms, or kiloohms. Be cautious when measuring high voltages or currents, and always use appropriate settings and safety precautions. Avoid touching the metal parts of the multimeter probes while making measurements to prevent electrical shock. Conclusion. Using a multimeter is an essential skill for anyone interested in electronics or electrical work. By understanding the different measurement modes, connecting the probes correctly, and following safety guidelines, you can confidently use a multimeter to measure voltage, current, and resistance. Remember to consult the user manual for your specific multimeter model to explore additional features and functions. With practice and experience,